morning, it's 10 a.m. My final push to Hua Hin, like 100 kilometers. A bit later than I would like to, but again, it's a shorter ride. It's just 100 kilometers on flat terrains, so it should be pretty quick. Yeah, I hope nothing goes wrong. Yeah. All right, let's go. Oh, there is some sort of a castle or temple on the hill. ในความเมตตาและความเชื่อมั่นและความไว้วางใจทุกๆคะแนนเสียง damn monkey น้องชาวจังหวัดประจวบคีรีขันธ์ที่มอบให้กับผมลูกหมีคุณแดงโชติ Yeah, too many monkeys for my liking. Nice. The beginning of this ride is very pleasant, like passing through lots of houses, having hills on the right, and in the beginning there was water, sea as well. It's really nice. I'm not sure if the camera shows it, but the lake is full of cranes. Passing through a smaller village. Back roads are nice, pretty relaxed. I found this rural road on Google Maps, and it's really empty. There are no cars, and it's really nice. The views are not so pleasant, let's be honest, but at least the road is quiet and I can pedal in the middle of my lane without worrying about cars passing me. Yeah, that's nice. I am on the same road. Just met a South American couple traveling. Yeah, the road is pretty boring. Like, yeah, it's quiet. Well, now it's not so quiet. Now there are cars. Yeah, but the road is really boring. And there is nothing. The view is getting better. There is sea. And I just saw a guy on a... I don't know what it was. I think it's a DIY project of his. It's a tricycle, I guess. Yeah, he's from Italy and just traveling the world. Yeah, like, it's already third person I'm meeting on this road today. I realized what's bad about this kind of roads, aside from being kind of boring because there is nothing around you, it is these seams between the plates. On each seam it's like a bump, and yeah, your butt might start hurting like mine, from all of them, so you cannot really go fast as you would on a tarmac road, for example. Yeah. Just as this rural road ends, there is a small village and there is a big temple. Finally back on tarmac road. Yeah, it's so nice to not have those seams hitting your bum every like 2 seconds. Oh, that's a big tree. Another nice rural road. This one luckily has tarmac. So yeah. And there are houses here and there. So hopefully it's not gonna be as boring as the other one was. Cows look at me in awe. And I am myself in awe because I don't know where I go from here. There's supposed to be a road, but there is none. Ah, fuck. Yeah, I have to backtrack a bit for sure. I made it back onto paved road. Yeah. It was again a seafood farm. Yeah, I guess don't trust Google Maps that there is a road all the time. That is some view. I know this is not where Skull Island was shot. I think that was in Vietnam. But this part looks kinda alike, to be honest. This was apparently a water station where you pay 1, 2, 5, 10 bahts and get some water according to the amount that you inserted. So kind of washed my bicycle because I've ridden through roadworks and it became very, very dirty. Yeah. Right. Going to make a stop at 7-Eleven in about 4 kilometers, and then I'll have 42 kilometers to my accommodation. Yeah, let's go. And I got a flat tire. Ah, damn, that's gonna be a pain because my rack is mounted onto the axle itself. Yeah, that's gonna be painful and gonna take me a lot of time. So this metal hook is what punctured the tire. I guess it's some part of fishing equipment. I guess it is. Damn. Yeah, 1 hour later, 50 minutes later, fixed the tire and then fixed the tube, the other tube. Yeah, that takes time. To say that I am tired, or rather sick and tired, is a fucking understatement, to be honest. Yeah, today I'm kinda down because of how hard it was yesterday, and then my back hurt, my butt hurt, and then the road works. I also took a wrong road and then a damn puncture just to finish it off, a cherry on top. So yeah, today is pretty hard, kind mentally, I guess. Not so much physically, even though back and butt hurt, but more mentally. Yeah. I had lunch at 7-Eleven, kinda recharged. Yeah, now I have 33 kilometers left to the accommodation. Yeah, so just the last push. And there at Hua Hin, hopefully I can buy the lens. I think I'll buy 2, just in case. Yeah, and I hope the information I got from the support of the online store is correct. Yeah, and here's the road. I'm getting closer and closer to Hua Hin. Yeah, this is the outskirts of the city. Taking some back roads again to avoid highway as much as I can. Yeah, I can't wait for this ride to be over, to be honest. Yeah, it's been a pretty long day. Not as long as it was yesterday, but somehow today was, yeah, as I said, mentally more challenging. The last bit to Hua Hin is actually fun. I'm trying to hold steady 29 kilometers per hour. Yeah. Made it to Hua Hin, checked into my accommodation, and now I need to go and try to buy the lens for my action cam finally. The only reason I was pushing so much to get to Hua Hin ASAP. Yeah, let's go. Well, I am back in business thanks to big camera. They installed the lens for me, cleaned it. Yeah, so next episode will be again shot using action camera. So nice. That's the face of a happy man. Let's go.